Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this card. How cute is that? Wildly Happy. I first saw this on stage and it was a Prize Patrol giveaway and I didn't win it. I did win another stamp set. I think it was Delightful, the one that goes with the Delightful tag. Anyway, I can't remember the name of it, but I saw this and then forgot it was around. And then samples started appearing on the internet. I was like, who's got that stamp? How have they got that stamp? And then quite a few of my team went, yeah, I got it. What? I wanted it. So as soon as I could, I got it. I had to wait till the catalogue launched. But it's just beautiful. I've got a plan in mind for this one and that one and that one. But I'm using bunnies today. Bunnies, my favourite animal in the world, and I'm highly allergic to them, unfortunately. It's a bit of a shame because I do love them. Okay, so I've taken a piece of cardstock, full sheet of A4 cardstock. I've cut it in half and I'm folding it in half. I'm not folding it in half, that's straight across the back. Folding it in half. Oops. Cut it in half and fold it in half. Measure up this piece of cardstock, this from there to there, and then cut some DSP that is 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower, about 1/4 of an inch shorter and narrower. I've got Blushing Bride here. I had Balmy Blue on that one, Blushing Bride on this one. That's your front panel. If you haven't seen my card videos before, I don't give set measurements because I work in International A4, which is metric. I have lots of people who follow me from in America who work in 8.5 by 11, and lots of people again who work in Imperial. So it would get confusing with 3 sets of measurements. Just work to my principles. Whatever the size of your card base is, make your panel on the front 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower, or 1/4 of an inch. And then the same principle will apply for the layer over the top. Although in this case, where's my ruler? I think I made this 3 centimetres. No, I made it 2.5 centimetres shorter and narrower than the card blank. And then this one, a further 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower. So whatever size your layers and mats are, make sure you're cutting the same amount off that side and that side. Okay, so Wildly Happy. It's gorgeous. I'm going to take my bunnies again. And I could get my Stamparatus out, but I'm not going to on this occasion. I'm going to use my grid paper. And I'm going to line my block up so that it's lined up with the grid. And then I'm going to line my bunnies up. And I actually can't get completely overhead. Line them up on there. Line my cardstock up on the grid paper. Get my ink, and I'm going to go with soft suede because I want to do a glittery colour bleed. And then line everything up again with grid paper and all sorts, and there we go. Oh, maybe I did a different colour on that one. I don't remember now. Okay, so let's zoom you in so you can see the colour bleed in action. So this is soft suede, and as you move it about with your Wink of Stella, the colour moves, the colour of the ink moves around. And obviously you get a little bit of a glittery finish, which I'm hoping with this streak of sunlight you can see. And so you get this wonderful kind of matched look, because the colour bleeding is sort of like 5th generation of that same tone of soft suede. It works very, very well with early espresso. This kind of technique works very well with any of our darker, richer colours. And let me see if I can tip that in the light so you can see the twinkle. I don't know that you can. I can see it perfectly in real life. And that is tinting my bunny. Now you can see that I'm coming over to where the defined lines are a bit more, because, you know, there's natural shading going on. Just divine, so cute. Clean off there. Where did I pick that up? Where have I got soft suede on my hand from? Okay, right, fingers crossed I'm going to be able to zoom back out again. My camera hates being zoomed in and out. Okay, so can you see the twinkle? I don't know if you can. It's just gorgeous. So pretty. Right. That's the wrong size block. But yeah, where did I get the bit of soft suede ink from? Okay, let's get the greetings. So tiny, so small, so loved by all. And I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to line up my block. I'm going to line up my words. I really hope that's lined up. I can't get overhead. Line up my my card and my grid paper, and take a punt that that's gone. Yes, thank goodness for that. Move those out of the way. And now, this was our braided linen trim. I've actually run out of mine. Oh, so I'm going to go with linen thread, and I'm going to make a triple layer of it. So I'm taking 3 lengths. And there are kinks in it where it's been wrapped around that card. So if you just run your fingernail down it, it stretches it out. Let's get a bow going. Can't believe I've actually run out of a consumable. I never run out. I always have spares on hand, and I don't of that one. Okay, so there's my little bow, so I can get rid of the excess extras on the ends. I'll pop that on after, so. Up to there, and then I'm going to take a mini glue dot onto the back of my linen thread bow, but I need to sort of make it smaller, so I've turned it into like a little ball of glue. Into the middle there, or off to the side there, and that is super cute. How lovely. Easy peasy to make. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.